In a magical meadow of gold and green, every petal held a secret, and every breeze whispered a melody. The blossom fairy, as beautiful as the first blush of spring, looked sadder than a weeping willow. Lily, possessing courage larger than any mountain giant's heart, promised to help find the fairy's lost love. Venturing forth, Lily entered the Whispering Willows, where every leaf had tales to tell and trees whispered ancient wisdom. The most majestic of them all, an ancient willow tree beckons Lily with a mysterious allure. Inside the hollow trunk, the willow whisperer introduced himself through whispers echoing gently around them. "Answer my riddle right," he murmured, as Lily's heart pounded like a drummer in a parade. Lily's brow furrowed in concentration, her mind racing to unlock the secrets hidden within the willow whisperer's challenge. With wisdom gained from the Whispering Willows, Lily carried hope and comfort back to the Blossom Fairy, her heart aglow with newfound knowledge.